Have been soldered, nice and clean. I haven't cleaned them up at all yet. Basically just finished soldering them. They're quite hot still. Just like my hands a little bit damp. Now we're going to be doing with the assembly now for the plan here. Now the secret now when you're soldering these, the intent is to try to keep these out of the flame. So I try to keep them at a slight angle when I'm soldering. And then make sure that's nice and hot when I do it. Make sure you use flux as well. To give you a nice both joint, looks quite nice. So now we're going to be using our 1/2-inch crimp, our cutter, a couple pieces of PEX, and 1/2-inch PEX to 3/8 hose, which is going to go to a 3/8 connection valve. So now we have some 1/2-inch crimps. Okay, so we're going to put it onto here, put it onto the other one, and crimp them and show you in a second. Now this connection will look pretty much like this. I see some dope to put on there, so basically we can connect the 3/8. So it's going to be in there pretty much like that.